here with the common law wife, as well as his daughter, and members of the union who came here to support her. Today, Judge Carro ruled that the indictment stands, which means all charges, including murder, grand larceny, burglary, stand for a jury to make a determination with regard to what happened in this horrible tragedy. What we want is justice for this family. This family has suffered the most horrible loss possible. The loss of her father, of the man she lived with for over 30 years. A man who simply went to work as a bus driver, serving the people of New York, and was killed wrongly. We look to a trial to get justice, and at the end of the trial, when justice is done, that the maximum sentence be imposed for the crimes charged against this defendant, his common law wife of 30 years, the mother of their child, will speak.
I want to thank Judge Carro for the ruling, and I want Whilby to get the maximum sentence for what he did. Our lives has changed forever, and that life has a price. Thank you.
One second, before we take questions. And we'll do it in Spanish.
Again, this morning, folks, you see our 38,000 members are standing strong, right? Because we can't afford to be leaving home every morning, every night, the AM shift, the PM shift, or the mid shift, to come to work to make an honest living, an honest dollar for our families, and then be murdered. Our 38 members this morning is standing strong for the fight for the right, for fair justice for the Pena family and the family of our 38,000 members. We are going to continue to stand and fight for fair justice.
And now in Spanish.
I don't know how to translate those words in Spanish, but I know some of them. I can say what I know.
You're Mr. Peña's daughter. Can you talk about how much it meant to you to hear that the judge is keeping all the charges? Can you step up?
She's not confident speaking,
but
she'll speak.
For you, when you see him in court and when you face him, what goes through? What are the emotions that run through yourself?
It's horrible to see that, you know, this young man, especially the first day he was produced, he walks into the courtroom with a huge smile, like he has no remorse for what he did, and you know, our lives has drastically changed forever.
But today, what was it like today seeing him? Not that first day, today.
Well, it hasn't changed. It's still, you know, it still hurts. It feels like every day we're in court, we're reliving this tragic death every single time we're here. It's like like when we got that phone call, and it's like at the same time like we're reburying William every time we're in court. Hoy aquí estamos luchando por la justicia de William Peña. Estamos aquí tremendamente heridos por lo sucedido y queremos que ustedes nos den soporte cada vez que estemos aquí en corte. Septiembre 10 de 2014 es la próxima vez que tenemos que estar en corte. Y quiero darle el agradecimiento al juez Carro por las decisiones que mantener todos los cargos.
¿Qué usted esperaba en septiembre 10? ¿Qué dice?
No sé lo que va a suceder septiembre 10, pero sí lo que digo es, yo, mi hija y nuestra familia queremos la máxima sentencia. No estamos aquí solamente luchando por la justicia de William, sino de todos los choferes que están aquí llevando gente para sus casas, sus trabajos diarios. Lo que queremos es justicia y nada más.